Welcome to Next Upgrade, your ultimate guide to upgrading your home into a smart one. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at 5 of the best smart devices that you can get for health and fitness. So, warm up with a few stretches, and let's get ready for a smarter workout. First on our list is the BowFlex SelectTech 560 dumbbells, which are a lot smarter than their name suggests. This adjustable weight system actually packs Bluetooth connectivity to help track and record your workouts. You can look at all your stats on the BowFlex SelectTech app, which notes down the weight, number of reps, and sets you've done for each exercise. The app also comes with coaching videos that sync with the movements of your dumbbells, helping you make sure that your form is picture perfect. From smart dumbbells, we go to the next item on our list, a smart water bottle. The HidrateSpark PRO doesn't just keep your drinks cold for up to 24 hours, it also makes sure you actually drink it too. The aesthetic LED lights at the base can be programmed to light up whenever you need a reminder to hydrate based on your settings in the HidrateSpark app. So it doesn't matter how focused you are on working up a sweat, when it's time to replenish those fluids, the bottle will let you know. It can even help you track where it is based on its last known location, which means it's a lot harder to lose your tumbler at the gym. The third item on our list is something every gym rat could use, the Beats Fit Pro in-ear headphones. Aside from delivering the high-quality sound that the Beats brand is known for, these babies are also ergonomically designed to stay snug in your ears even as you're running. And that's because of these cool little silicone fins that help secure the earbuds along the natural folds of your ear. They're firm enough to stay stable even during strenuous workouts, but soft enough to be a one-size-fits-all solution. And they're also a natural fit with the next smart device on our list. Coming in at number 4 is the Apple Watch Series 9, which has really upped its game in the fitness department. Apple's workout app has been updated to track more in-depth metrics about your physical activity. Aside from the usual heart rate monitor that most smartwatches come with, the Apple Watch 9 also tracks your pace, sleep quality, calories burned, and more, alongside activity-specific metrics like SWOLF scores for swimming. It's also remarkably good at taking care of your health outside of exercising. It can track the schedules of any medications you need and even alerts you when you're starting to show signs of atrial fibrillation, which is a warning sign of strokes. And on top of all that, it's also just a really aesthetic timepiece that I would love to get as a gift. Take note, please. And rounding out our smart devices for the day is item number 5, the Fitbit Aria Air Smart Scale. Unlike other smart scales we've featured before, the Fitbit Aria likes to keep things simple. It only measures your weight and your BMI. But where it really shines is how it uses this data. You can easily see if and how you need to adjust your exercise routine just by looking at the trending graph the app creates based on your info over time. So not only is it a smart scale, but it's also a scale that helps you take a smarter approach to fitness. Woo! Those are 5 of the most must-have smart fitness devices on the market today. Do you have any other recos for other devices? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. It really helps keep Next Upgrade nice and healthy. We'll be dropping another brand new episode next Sunday, so hit the bell button to get notified when that drops. See you, neighbors.